Brothers and sisters, guys, I can't stress this enough. I can't stress this enough. Hey, check that Nike outlet. And you know, I told myself this month, I was only gonna get one shoe, right? Man, today, I go down to Nike because I'm always just down just to browse. You know, I'm always into, you know, just sneakers all day long. I'm looking down there and I said, there's no way when I found this, it's in my size. Guys, today we are taking a look at an Air Jordan 11 Low. They're currently sitting right now, which is all good, all dandy. I have no problem with that. But somebody returned this in my size and for the price I got them for. Guys, today we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 Low University Blue. And don't get me wrong. Not everyone's gonna enjoy this one, but it's a low and I got it in my size and I got it for a steal of a price. Like I literally was like, wow, guys, let's take a look at these right now. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefer. I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Hey, y'all. Check that Nike outlet.
What do you mean by that?
Check that Nike outlet. I'm telling you, you never know what you can find. As you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the thumbnail, as you can see from the bag right here, I'm bringing you guys yet another sneaker review. This is actually my second video that I filmed today over sneakers, actually. We do have the Air Jordan 5 white metallic dropping very, very soon. So I'm working on a video right now, but I did go out today and I wasn't really looking for any sneakers. Went to the Nike store and I said, hold on. We saw them and I was like, I gotta pick these up, especially for the price I got them for, guys. In today's video, we're taking a look at an Air Jordan 11. These did go ahead and come out 2 weeks ago on the 18th of April. And I told myself I was gonna pick up just one shoe this month. And for the price I got them for, I could not help it. We're taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 Low in the University Blue colorway. And I'm very happy to have these back in the collection. I believe last time they came out was 2018, 17, 19, one of those years. And I did have that pair, but I wasn't able to really rock them a lot. And I ended up just kind of giving them away. And now they are back in the collection. So guys, with that said, without further ado, let's take a look at these Air Jordan 11 Low University Blues. Let's go, guys. Whoa, hold on. Jump the gun there. I jumped the gun there. Before we go ahead and actually take a look at these, I do want to say thank you so much for all the love and the support that you show over on the channel. It is greatly appreciated every time I get to see you wonderful individuals. Like I always say, it's not me, it is we. We're super close to 10,000 subscribers. We're about 100 and, no, I lie. We're about 200 people away from that 10K. So on this video, all I ask is you do one thing. Let this video get one new subscriber and one like. I know we can definitely do that. Also, if you haven't already, definitely make sure you hit the like button, you subscribe, comment down below and let me know what have you picked up so far for 2026. And just so I know you guys are paying attention, let me know what you guys did today. What did you guys do today? So if you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here as well, comment down below, engage with all the wonderful comments. So you know I really appreciate you guys so much. And without further ado, now let's take a look at these Air Jordan 11 Low University Blues. Let's go. Alrighty guys, here you go. So as you can see, I did go ahead and get these at Nike. Your boy's always over there. He's always looking to see what type of deals and steals that we can come up on. And I definitely got a steal for these. So let's go ahead and actually really take them out of the box right here. You guys are gonna see them peeking through because on the clearance wall, when you do go ahead and get clearance, you do have to get it without the box of the lid. But regardless though, let's go straight away into the size description. So size description does go ahead and read on these guys. Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, white university blue. This is a size 11. If you've never owned a Retro Low or you've never owned an Air Jordan 11 High, I recommend going true to size. You'll be perfectly fine. And currently right now, these are actually sitting in a lot of stores, so you can go in there, try them on, and see what preferred size you actually like. SKU code on this read I lied to you, FV5104 100. Retail price was $195, but I was able to go ahead and get 30% off because they were on the clearance wall. Gotta love that clearance. Let's go ahead and turn it for you guys so you can go ahead and see without showing you the shoe. And without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at these. Now, really quick, this one right here, because like I said, I did go ahead and get off clearance, there is no lid. But if you're interested to know about the presentation of this, Jordan Brand, this is the Air Jordan 14 University Blue. Jordan Brand actually used the same box. It might be a little hard to tell, but you see that Michael Jordan box face right there? That's the exact same box that's gonna be in this one. It's just, there's just no lid on this one. But here we go in 3, 2, y'all cover your eyes. I don't want you seeing this yet. 1, here we go right here, guys. We got the Air Jordan 11 Low University Blue. And when I tell you it is so good to have these back in the collection, it is so good to have these back in the collection, guys. Now let's go ahead and get a closer perspective right now. We're gonna dive into these and let's get into it right now. All right, guys, boom, here we go right here. We got the Air Jordan 11 Low in the University Blue. And I gotta say, they did a great job on these. I honestly, when I was looking at them, I was telling myself, did anything change from the last pair that retro? And to my opinion, it does not look like anything changed. You know, sometimes Jordan Brand decides to change things up. It looks exactly the same. Only thing different, maybe, I feel like the bungee laces right here, the bungee cord laces are a little bit thinner than they were in the last retro. But aside from that, it's pretty spot on. Did a really great job. Let's go ahead and take a look at the right here. Let's go ahead and dissect it. So starting at the bottom of the outsole of the shoe, you do go ahead and get a nice icy blue. You get an icy blue. All of it is blue. You get your UNC blue track pads right there. You do go ahead and get a Jumpman. Again, did a really good job. As you come up to the midsole right here, you do have a nice patent leather midsole, which goes all the way around the entirety of the shoe right here. As you go ahead and look over in the side, or excuse me, the front of the shoe, you do go ahead and get your Jordan logo with your lettering. And let me go ahead and push this to the side. As you can see right there, let that focus. I really want you to go ahead and get that real quick. There it goes, starting to adjust, I love it. Then as we come up to the back, you do get your UNC Jumpman right there. As you can see, very nice, very small. You got 23 in the back. Let's go ahead and pull out the shoe tree. Actually, oops, I already went ahead and did that. Insole is all in the blue insole. You have Nike Air, and it does go ahead and have the size that you went with right there. Let that thing focus. There we go. Nike Air right there, guys. And overall, in my opinion, I think they did a great job. This is a low. Air Jordan 1 lows, I honestly want to say, are very comfortable. They're easy to rock. And I mean, honestly, guys, it's kind of a no-brainer for me personally when it comes to lows. I really do like them. Right now, with everything obviously going up and shoes, I would say weight. I mean, that's what I was able to do. Check that out. Check that outlet. I got these guys literally for I think 120 bucks actually. 120 bucks on the outlet, and let me tell you guys, why not? You know, why? Just why not though? So let me know, guys, how you feel about the Air Jordan 1 Low. I said 1 Low. Air Jordan 11 Low University Blue. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on feet right now. I cannot wait to get these over on the toe. They're gonna look really good. And I told myself I wasn't gonna pick up anything else for April, but I saw these today and I just, sometimes you have to. 120 bucks for a retro, you can't, low, you can't pass it up. So here we go right here, guys. Let me give you guys a closer perspective and let's dive into it right now. All right, guys, we got the Air Jordan 11 Low University Blue, and I think these are really perfect for the summer. These are perfect for the summer. I also really think that anyone can rock these. This is definitely a lighter color in terms of for wearability. So an all white, you can do all black too. Just be a little careful. I do know that the leather on this does get prone to get dirty pretty quick. So I would recommend just some sort of cleaner, some sort of wipes. You can use like Clorox wipes, something just kind of, you know, to keep your shoe nice and preserved up. But again, though, I think they did an overall beautiful execution on these. And it's an Air Jordan 1 Low. I mean, I don't feel like there's nothing to really complain about this shoe, in my opinion. Solid shoe. And I think overall, it's, we just got so much shoes coming out. That's the reason why they are currently sitting. But I know these are gonna eventually go on sale soon. I feel like just because the way they are sitting right now, it's just, like I told you guys, you gotta be patient. You gotta be patient with some of this stuff. But let me know down below how you feeling about these guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review over the Air Jordan Low. Oh my God, Air Jordan 11 Low. I keep wanting to say 1 University Blue. Let me know down below how you're feeling about them. I'm gonna cut away to the on-feet review right now. Appreciate all the love and the support that you guys show. Again, I cannot stress this enough. Do check the Nike outlet. You just never know what you will find. Even if it's not retro, you might be able to find something there for like 40 bucks. I've seen it. And as well, if you do, I think if I'm not mistaken, if you have a Nike app, if you make a new one, you do get an additional 15. So why would you not want to go ahead and do that? But again, guys, appreciate all of the support. On-feet reviews coming right now. And until next time, hey, we have videos on the way. Like I'm booked up with videos, but I'm cranking them out for you guys because I love you. Until the next one, I'll catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.